Okay, so this is take one, guys. My name's Leanne Jones. I'm a dear friend of Blenders, and I'm here just to introduce you to Enjo and hopefully give you a few tips and tricks on how to use the products. So firstly, I'll do a little brief on what we're all about. So Enjo is what we say, it's the 21st way of cleaning. We've got a complete set that can actually clean your whole home inside and outside, and you can do that with just water. We have a few individual products which will help you along the way when you've got tougher things, and that would be the calcium dissolver. So this is amazing for cleaning bathrooms, soap, scum and toilets, and it's a liquid form, so that's used diluted in a water bottle or neat onto your Enjo fibres. And the other thing, it's natural, it's only 100 times concentrated citrus cleaner. The other thing we have is marble paste. Marble paste is an all-purpose cleaner, a little bit like gumption, it's a paste, and that actually helps you in the kitchen and the bathroom and actually all throughout your home, including outdoors, barbecues and what have you. So I'll show you how to use that a little bit later. And the other few things, they're the two accessories that we have. The other thing that you might not know about that maybe you don't have is our Flexi, and this helps you with dusting. So everything with Enjo that's orange is dry and dusty. So with our Flexi, it bends and you're able to clean high areas. I've got a very tall ceiling, so for me the Flexi's used, but as you can see, you can dust areas that you actually can't reach. You can also get to cobwebs and be able to dust your walls down, and also get underneath furniture and underneath the fridge. Okay, so these are just a few accessories. So Enjo was bought about actually 30 years ago in Austria. It's an Austrian product, and we've been operating in Australia for 25 years next year. So we've been here for a long time and we're not going anywhere. So it's what you call the Rolls Royce of microfibers. So we use a technology which is called wet, wipe and dry, and that's all you need to do in order to get a 99% bacteria-free clean. And we've been promoted, and we've actually been certified in Austria as being 6 times deeper cleaning than any chemical. So that's it for my intro, and we'll stop the video now and then we'll go into different areas. So actually, before I stop this, we have a complete bundle, and I wanted to show you the different rooms that are available in your complete bundle. It's now called an ENJOpure bundle, so once you have that, you're actually what we consider ENJOpure. So we have kitchen, and green is called for grease. So this is green for grease, and they're your items that are in your ENJOpure bundle, which are all for your kitchen. Then we have bathroom, so white is always in the bathroom and it never changes. Sorry about the colour of my fibres, but this is a new white one, and these are old white ones. It doesn't matter about the colour, it just matters about the functionality of the fibre. So these is your bathroom products in your ENJOpure bundle. And then we have our multicoloured bundle is your living bundle, which is basically orange is dry and dusty, never wet an orange fibre. Your blue one's for carpet and leather cleaning, and your yellow one is your damp duster polisher. Okay, so that's your living bundle. And then we have our window bundle. So this little bundle here cleans all of your windows, and you can even clean your kitchen if you've got mirrored splashbacks like I have. And you can also clean your shower with it. Okay, so that's that one. And then we have our floor cleaner, which comes with different fibres, but I believe most people have this one. So this is a matte floor fibre. There is a shine floor fibre available, and that shine floor fibre is for fussy floors or shiny floors or parquetry floors or anything that's water sensitive or anything that's streaking. So that's the shine floor fibre. Okay, so there you've got your five room bundles. You've got living, kitchen, bathroom, windows and floor. And then you cannot live without an Enjo spray bottle. So we'll get cut to the chase now and we'll start cleaning. Thank you.